Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will share with you how you can change the email of your YouTube channel. First, open YouTube and click on your profile and go down and click on setting. Then you will see this page. Now beside the channel manager, click on add or remove manager and now click on manage permissions. And after that, Google will ask you to enter your password. After you enter password, if you have activated the step 2 verification, Google will ask you to enter your phone number. Type your phone number and then you will receive a code in SMS on your smartphone. Simply insert the code and then click on next. And again, click on manage permission and you will see this page. Now all you have to do is to click on this icon. Add the new email that you wanna use for YouTube channel. And after you type the email, you will have to select the role, select owner, and then click on invite. Now all you have to do is to go to this email and check the box. You will have a no message on your new email. So all you have to do is just to accept the invitation. Then you will have to enter your password. So when you finish, when you accept the invitation, like this, your new email will be the owner of your YouTube channel. Your channel will appear on the new email. But if you wanna switch the full control to the new email, then you will have to select primary owner. You can't do that right now. You will have to wait 7 days. After 7 days, and do the same thing. Repeat the same process. Go to the profile and go to the setting. Then select add remove manager and click on manage permission. Again, you will have to type the password. And after that, you will go back to the same page where you can see 2 emails of your YouTube channel. If both emails have same name, then primary owner is the old email. Simply go to the email that is the owner. Then change it from the owner to the primary owner. And the old email automatically will be changed to the owner. So now, the new email will be the primary owner, which means you will have full control of your channel. So right now you have 2 emails on your YouTube channel. If you wanna remove the old email, simply click on this X icon and that's it. After you click on it, the old email will be removed from your channel, which means the old email will not have any control of your YouTube channel. The channel will disappear from the old email completely. You will not see anything and that's it. This is how you can change the email of your YouTube channel. I hope you find this useful. Have a good day and thank you for watching.